as the name indicates, regular. So for definition, a polyhedron which have its faces made up of regular polygon and all the vertices, that means each point all the vertices भी लिख सकते हैं, all the vertices are formed by same number of faces. Also you can say also by same number of edges. For example, if I draw a cube, you see here I have drawn a cube. Now you can see first of all एक बार क्यूब की प्रॉपर्टीज देखते हैं. इट हैव हाउ मेनी फेसेस? टोटल नंबर ऑफ फेसेस दैट अ क्यूब हैव 1 2 3 4. एक क्यूब में like this face, this that and this side, 4 these faces, top and bottom. So around I have 6 faces. Edges, if I count edges, see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Around I have 12 edges. And if I count vertex, I will have 1 2 3 4 4 on the top, 4 on the bottom, around total 8 vertices. Now अब हम इस पे देखेंगे कि एक रेगुलर पॉलीहेड्रन की प्रॉपर्टी इस पे एप्लीकेबल है या नहीं है. प्रॉपर्टी क्या थी? विच हैव इट्स फेसेस मेड अप ऑफ रेगुलर पॉलीगन. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट इज अ रेगुलर पॉलीगन? A polygon where it's all the sides are of equal length. Also you can say all the angles are equal. So उसे हम लोग एक रेगुलर पॉलीगन कहते हैं. See, yes, I have all the like this have all the sides equal. This one have all the sides equal. So each face is a regular polygon here. Every face is made up of a regular polygon. Similarly, if I consider the another property, that is vertices are formed by same number of faces. If I see this vertex A and if I see this vertex B, एक C, तीन vertices ले लेते हैं हम लोग. See, if I see all the vertices, for A vertex I have this face and this face. See, ये की वाला फेस है फॉर ए वर्टेक्स और ये आपके पास एक है पीछे वाला फेस एंड थर्ड जो आपका फ्रंट वाला है. सो ए हैव 3 फेस forming this vertex. Similarly for B, this face, a backward face, and your this side face. So again this also have three faces. Similarly for C, it is clearly visible this face and the bottom one. C also have forming it three faces. So all the vertices, पहली प्रॉपर्टी क्या आती है हमारी, all the faces are regular polygon, and second क्या थी, all the vertex are formed by equal number of faces. So this is how it is a regular polyhedron. So that's why I can say yes, this is a regular polyhedron. Suppose if I take another example which is also from your book, let's draw that. Here I am drawing another picture, another figure. You see here, my first problem is that I should have faces, all the faces at regular polygon. This should be my first property, should satisfy this one. Secondly, I should have all the vertices, here you can see vertices, or all the vertex formed by same number of faces. You see, faces should have a regular polygon. It can be possible or not be possible, saying that I can have all these triangles equal with having equal length, like this triangle. It can have equal length for its sides, and angles can also be equal. This can be satisfied here or cannot be. But my second property, look at this one. You see, for this it's up to me if I draw it by having regular polygons, regular triangles or not. It's totally up to me. But in this figure, see, look at the vertices. My first vertices that I have considered this one. Second one is this one. For first one, A. See how many faces I have. First I have this one, this face, face number 1. This backward and this front one. I am forming this by 3 triangles, 1, 2 and 3 1. Another one is this face and this totally black one. So here it is formed by 3 faces, right? But if I look at B, it is formed by how many faces? See, this triangle, this triangle, this triangle and this triangle. So total I have 4 faces. A have 3 faces and your B point have 4 faces. So this spoil our second property. That's why it is not a regular polyhedron. Going to study about prisms and pyramids. First I will draw a prism, two prisms in front of you. And there is a important thing for all of you, that you should know how to draw all these figures. Practice drawing all these figures by your hand using scale or without scale, but you should have a clear drawing skill to be good in maths, geometric maths especially. So you see I have drawn two type of prisms here, one by square, another by triangles. सी क्लास, व्हाट इज अ प्रिज्म? सबसे पहले ये इमेजेस पे देखते हैं। यहाँ पे क्या है, जो मेरा दोनों ही प्रिज्म है, दोनों का जो टॉप एंड बॉटम है, ध्यान से देखेंगे, top and bottom of both the prisms should be of concrete polygons. Where top and bottom, एक्चुअली मैथ्स में हम बेस यूज करते हैं, टॉप एंड बेस आर concrete polygon. Concrete means exactly same, having all the dimensions completely equal. All the dimensions this is my first property. Another one, other faces that is curved faces, or you can say lateral, are parallelogram in shape. You see other faces like this is a parallelogram, although it seems like a rectangle, but rectangle is a parallelogram. This is a parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel. This is a parallelogram, this is a parallelogram. So the lateral surfaces here are parallelogram. So these type of combinations in a polygon or polyhedron form a prism. Another that we are going to study is about pyramid.